Hey guys, how's it going? Just going to show you my EDC bag. This is a London Bridge 14 liter day pack in a moss gray color. Doesn't have very much organization on the inside, but for me that's alright. Alright, let's get right into it. It's not like a bug out bag or get home bag. This is an EDC bag. Kind of what I carry every day. So this is hook and loop. Got the American flag patch on there. On this side, this is a packable rain jacket, but these are water bottle holders. They stretch pretty well. Let's see. Go on this side here. Got some trauma shears. Got a cat tourniquet. And let's see if I can get it. A little pouch. It's just a hygiene pouch. You guys can let me know if you want to see what's in it. I can do this separate video if you want. Let's go. Center one. Got some first aid pouches. This has boo-boos and band-aids and stuff like that. Some medicines in there. And just a couple candy bars and drink mixes in that pouch. Top one. Bear with me here. It's got some Gorilla Tape, some Sharpies, some highlighters, some pens. And that's it. Oh, some Tums. And take it to the main pouch here. This is my trauma pack. This has quick clots, chest seals, bunch of other stuff. I can do a separate video if you want to see that one. Another little trauma pouch too with some more bandages. Izzy bandage. Back here. Got some wet ones, and in these Magpul DACA pouches I got some cords and cables, and this one is like a food storage bag. This has some food in this one, but that is it. That is it for my EDC London Bridge 14 liter bag. Let me know if you have any questions and I'll try to answer them. Drop them in the comments. Thanks.